This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 45 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This time we're starting on the Power Stone, except we're sort of not. We get the Power Stone, but we're not going to be building it until next time. This time we're doing a little bit more of the base. We're getting the mid-central support built. After looking at the Thanos imperative, is that where he wants to kill half of everything? It sounds quite imperative, but look at that if you desire to. If you don't, then don't. Fast forward to the second half of this video, where I'll be doing the building. The building I shall be doing is, say, the Power Stone part 1 and the base part 2. Not really 2, well, it's 2, yeah, it's 2. So yes, we're just putting the central spider thing into there, screwing it in place, and then putting little sticky foam pads to keep everything nice and non-slip. And that's that. We're keeping the stone for next time. Vulcan, Star Trek. That's not quite different. Don't know about that. Ed Brubaker, the man without fear. I wonder how they get these. Do they make these up for this, or is that actually is he known by that? Do any of you know? If you know anything about the artists or whatever, is this, you know, their nicknames, or is this just what this magazine have given them? So let's clear this out of the way, and let's get the stone prepared and get the base a little bit further along the way. So the parts, we've got the foam pads to put on later, the spidery attachment post, which is quite substantial. All low plastic, but there we go, which I shall be doing next with the screws, and the Power Stone, obviously the next stone to be installed, the red one. We're not doing that quite yet. I shall put that to one side. I shall need my screwdriver though, because we need to put several of these screws in place. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 6 of these that are required. We've actually got a couple of spares this time around. We didn't get any spares in the last lot. I'll put those with my other spares. Get rid of that. Let's move that out of the way. Bring that over here. And fit it up. So this is going on the top. This is going underneath. So just got to line those up with the holes there. Bit like that. Quite a nice solid fit that is. So that goes in there like so. This goes on the top. Just the same. Doesn't matter which way round it goes because they're all the same. So that's that. And then we've got all of these screws to put in and tighten up. I shall do those later. Let's get these ones stuck on. These are all just covering over the corners, basically. Covering over those screw holes. Like that. Obviously it's underneath, you're not going to see it, but get them as nice and straight as you can, because it's worth getting them on properly. On there. Obviously do make sure all the screws are tight before you do all of this. There we go, 2 more of them. Like that. Rid of that. And the last one will go on there. And as I say, that one's going to go over the centre, covering over everything nicely. And that will give us a nice non-slip base for that to attach to. So that's that. I shall get these screws in, put that aside for later. See you next time for more of that. And I think that's it for the base. You just need the rod that's going to do, and however it's going to attach up the top. I don't know about that. We'll find out soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.